Seashells, it's Shelby, and welcome back to my channel. Today we have Mr. Chad Lucci gracing the channel.
Yo! Duns and still here.
Still here.
Ready to embarrass myself once more.
Just
duns.
Just dance. You can see by the title, we're gonna be testing our intelligence. And
We're gonna be taking the Jamaican Citizenship test.
so we did the American one on his channel, so that's a part 1. So make sure you guys go watch that.
We have to do better on this one. We
We have to. See how we did? Just watch that.
Done this first, then go watch that.
Yeah.
Cause hopefully this was a little bit more positive.
So it will motivate you to
go
watch that one. Yeah. We're gonna do good.
Yeah.
It's 35 questions. We must can get at least 30. Oh God.
Why you put it so high?
Come on. Confident.
You couldn't put it at like a 22, 23. Let's just leave it at 25 right now. And then based on how the questions are received, we can get into it. Yeah, run the first one, yeah.
Okay. First question. How many national heroes does Jamaica have? The options. 5, 7, 0, 6.
So Luna, we have Bogle, Nani,
Oh,
Sharp, Garvey. Your turn.
Is it Paul?
I said Bogle, Bogle, Sharp,
Alexander.
Nani, Garvey, Alexander.
Alright, maybe one name. But guess what? Here's the issue, right? Sometimes they say how many heroes, but sometimes they say it's like a trick question. Them say how much hero and how much heroine.
No man.
Sometimes they include.
I think they might include her.
Make us a 7 then.
7?
Yeah.
The right thing then.
So what are you gonna do?
I don't want to start on the wrong, I don't want to start on the wrong foot.
Period.
Alright.
And that's on period.
What is Jamaica's national fruit? Pineapple?
Watermelon.
Apple?
Aki.
I think of apple.
Yeah. But for the sake of the
For
video.
the sake of the video,
we're
I gotta
gonna
choose Aki.
Yeah. Alright.
Is that true?
Yes.
I thought Aki was our national dish.
Aki and selfish.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it our national fruit though?
Yeah.
I never heard nobody say that, bro.
What is Jamaica's motto? Out of many we are one. No problem. Yeah man.
Yup.
Or out of many one people.
Yeah man.
It's giving yeah man.
It's giving yeah man.
Yeah. But
Yeah man. No? What you think?
yeah,
Out of many one people?
I think so.
I feel like me or somebody said that one day before.
Yeah.
Me think I am one still, but
We can finger slip away.
alright. Out of many one people.
Alright. We're not going back.
Yeah man, see the hard question them start for Robbie, you know.
I was gonna ignore that. But who was the shortest serving prime minister? 1. Andrew Holness, Portia Simpson Miller, Edward Siaga, Donald Sangster. I don't feel like a Donald Sangster.
So how him get airport? I saw him time to just
Same like how Benjamin Franklin the pound
for
$100 note.
real. Alright, do the right thing
I
now.
feel like
This difficult because I know it's not the first two. I know na Andrew, I know na Portia. Because we grew up around them.
yeah, and I don't think I see
Him have highway, so all them him could have.
but in my airport, Sangster airport, right? All of them important. How long Portia did in that though?
Portia they in there for a minute still.
Yeah, she was there for a hot minute.
Portia they in there for a minute. Cause remember, so she all come back and beat Andrew one
Right.
time, you know.
I'ma say. It was Sangster! Jamaica gained independence in 1964, 1962, 1694, 1692.
1962.
Right. Yeah, it's giving smart.
Because you looking at me? I don't know this one.
Yeah, politician.
I'm a child. People be getting this shit so mixed up. I'm dead ass. Jamaica has what type of government structure? Democratic, Republic, Communist or parliamentary? I believe it's democratic. Yeah, because we vote for things and things. Yeah.
Shit, look at dog. Parliamentary.
I would not have known that one. I did not even know that was a type of government structure.
It just never sounds right. It just sounds so Jamaican.
Never sound right. Who was the first Jamaican woman to win Miss World? These are all Miss World winners. Because I know Lisa Hanna and Yendi were Miss World winners. Carol Joan Crawford, Lisa Hanna, Yendi Phillips, or Gina Harjite? Gina? Alright, we have to choose Gina.
No,
Gina
if I mean, if you said Gina, I just did I say Gina.
Pull back up the tape.
Well, like Carol, you know.
I didn't know that one.
I was gonna. Bob Marley died in 1988, 1981, 1990, or 1980. I don't feel like a 1981.
Just so I know, I've got no clue. I just don't feel like it'd be 1990.
No, that's too early.
Feel like early?
Late. No, as in.
Bad. How you know that?
Yeah, I just knew that.
I say, watch up a Bob Marley documentary.
Yeah, one Bob.
Which two Jamaicans currently hold the titles for world's fastest man and woman? This is clearly dated.
Okay, so the options: Asafa, Powell, and Veronica. Campbell Brown, Usain Bolt, and Shelley and Fraser Price. Asafa Powell and Shelley and Fraser Price, and Usain Bolt and Veronica Campbell Brown.
Usain Bolt and Shelley. Even though now it'd be Usain Bolt and Elaine, right?
Yeah. But
alright.
Since she's not there.
The main language in Jamaica is Patois, Spanish, French, or English.
Don't know say. English.
Go on, Trina.
So why you not look confident?
Come on, swear, say I say Patois. It's messy.
You think I'm retarded? Don't do that.
English.
Yeah.
Yo, how much we get wrong so far? 2. 2 out of 10 is wrong. So that means we've gotten 8 right.
80% already.
Jamaica's current prime minister is Portia Simpson Miller, Gordon Butch Stewart, Percival James Patterson, and Andrew Wellness.
Yeah, that's Andrew with her.
Alright, well, hear us out.
This is a old.
This test is old.
Yeah, it's clearly old.
So this test said Portia, but we're going based off of 2023 current affairs. Right. So we got that one right.
Yeah. Don't play.
Who is the only national female heroine for Jamaica?
One nanny, me not even know.
One nanny.
But enough nanny
there. Them said Nanny of the Maroons,
Nanny
of Africa,
Lady Nanny,
Nanny of Morant Nanny of the Maroons, Nanny of Morant Bay. That don't even have a ring to it. Currency
is used in Jamaica.
British pounds, Jamaican dollars, Caribbean dollars, or US dollars. Yo, I feel like all of the Caribbean countries them for just come together and make a Caribbean dollar.
Yeah.
That are bad still, no?
Just
that are like a buzz.
So much easier.
It's Jamaican dollars though.
Yeah.
We got that one.
Which national hero led a peaceful protest that turned into Jamaica's largest slave rebellion? Marcus Garvey, Sam Sharp, Paul Bogle, Alexander Bustamante.
I'm pretty sure it's Bogle, right?
It was either Sam or Bogle.
I'm pretty sure it's Bogle. Bogle never marched all the way to St. Thomas.
But was it peaceful?
I don't think anything was peaceful back then. I think they're lying. I think it was supposed to be a peaceful protest. Because they said, led a peaceful protest that turned into. Our sunshine.
Oh, what Sam Sharp did do again?
Never a clue. Don't have a clue.
I can't remember. I go say Bogle.
Bogle? Big up Samuel.
Knew it!
Big up Samuel Sharp anyway.
Big up Sammy anyway there. Who is on the Jamaican $1,000 bill? Michael Manley, Paul Bogle, Norman Manley, Nanny of the Maroons. of all.
Norman, right? Cause Michael Manley is gonna be on the $2,000 bill that's coming out. I think I know, man.
Pick put now. The answer was Michael. No, you gonna put money what here? Eh? You come tell me about Michael and they found $2,000 bill. And you think it's funny?
You don't look $1,000 every day.
Me never said.
You don't look $1,000. You don't tell me. What you say?
$1,000.
Pull back up the clip, cause Shelby said, nah, pick now, man.
Because I say it with confidence.
Yo, next one. What is Jamaica's largest bill? 5 grand.
1,000, 100, 500. I'm gonna go with 500. I don't even know how far this is dated.
I'm gonna go 5 grand.
Yeah, I'm gonna say 5 grand. Right.
5 grand.
Yeah. Who was Jamaica's longest serving prime minister? Donald Sangster, Percival James Patterson, Edward Seaga, Andrew Holness.
Cannot be Donald Sangster.
No, definitely.
Because he was the shortest.
Yeah. Is it?
It's not Andrew Holness.
No,
Because people that make noise about that already.
It's
I'm
either
pretty sure it's PJ.
or Edward. I feel like it's PJ.
I'm pretty sure it's PJ.
Yeah, I feel like a PJ.
Because PMP they in power for like a cool 18 years. Yeah.
Mhm.
Bad. Bad.
Jamaica's national dish. Fried chicken.
Jerk
chicken. I can't starfish. Baked chicken and rice and peas.
Baked chicken and rice and peas.
You know, but I think it's a jerk chicken though.
My vote is baked chicken and rice and peas still.
But I'm just gonna say for the sake of the video that it has to do with the national fruit. So anything with the national fruit.
Oh, it's an ackee sauce.
Yeah, they use logics.
I don't know if you're right still.
What? Right, man?
I mean, I guess.
Yes.
Two main newspapers in Jamaica are
The Gleaner and the Observer, the Herald and the Observer, the JA Times and the Gleaner, the Herald and the Gleaner. More I read the Herald.
Gleaner and Observer. The Herald sound boring.
What is the Herald?
I don't have a clue, but it sounds long.
My God. So the following are Jamaican television stations: CVM, Love TV, TVJ, all of the above.
It has to be all of the above because CVM and TVJ.
Yeah.
I've never heard of Love TV though.
No idea what that is.
Maybe them gone with the commission.
Interesting.
Which Jamaican singer won The Voice?
Bob Marley, Tessanne Chin, Damian Marley, Jimmy Cliff.
I think you should call and find out.
I'm gonna ask.
I think Lee will know the answer to this one.
I'm gonna ask Lee.
A Tessanne Chin, man. What
are the colors on the Jamaican flag?
Hiroshima.
Black and gold, red, white and green, black, green and gold, red, green and gold.
Black,
green and gold. Please, no.
Yo, this one is low-key a little bit easier.
It is. The main religion in Jamaica is Muslim. Jamaicans are not religious. Rastafarianism. Christianity.
I'm pretty sure it's a fact that Jamaica has like more churches per square foot than anywhere else, right?
Yeah.
The estimated population in Jamaica is, well, this is gonna be dated. It's years ago. So it says 2 million, 2.7 million, 3 million, or 1.8 million. Now it's closer to 3 million.
Yeah.
So I feel like back then it'd probably be 2.7. Just for the sake of getting the quiz right.
I guess.
Bad.
Alright.
Because now the correct answer would be, you just round it out to 3.
What fruit did Jamaica trade with Hawaii in exchange for the Otaheite apple?
I didn't know that's
I
where that was.
didn't know. I thought it was. I thought it was
ours for real.
Wow. Pineapple, sweet sop, guinea, watermelon. I feel like a guinea.
I feel like a guinea or sweet sop. It wouldn't be watermelon. That's
like
too widespread.
Whereas a guinea, there's some other little place too.
So guinea?
Wait.
Is it a guinea or a sweet
We traded
sop?
that for Otaheite.
It don't mean to stop having it.
Yeah.
It just means to grow it. So I feel like it'd be sweet stop right in it. Cause pineapple and watermelon are grown everywhere. Right? So Guinea. Pineapple. It was pineapple. Why are you shaking your head yes like you know that? What was the name of Jamaica's national television station before it became TVJ?
ABC, JBC, CBM, BBC.
I think it might be JBC. Because that sounds like Jamaica Broadcasting Commission.
I think it's that. Oh.
Ah. What is Jamaica's capital? Port Royal, Spanish Town, Kingston, or Mobile? One Port Royal, you know.
Yeah.
I joke at Kingston, guys.
Yeah. Jamaica's two major airports are
Negril Airdrome and Tintin, Donald Sangster and Negril Airdrome, Norman Manley and Tintin, or Norman Manley and Donald Sangster.
I'm gonna go with the last one.
Go with the last one. Norman Manley and Donald Sangster. Yeah.
What?
Tintin is a small airport. Is it in Kingston now?
Oh wow. How many parishes does Jamaica have? 5, 3, 14, 12. I'm gonna add 2 to that.
14?
I think so.
I'm thinking more 5, but I guess it's 14 or whatever.
It's 14. It's easy, man.
No, this one too easy.
It's too easy.
How many counties does... I'm gonna say it again. I'm not gonna say nothing about it. We're just gonna move on. How many counties does Jamaica have? 2, 0, 5, or 3? Cornwall, Middlesex,
Sorry.
3.
Period.
How many members of parliament are there in Jamaica? 60, 28, 14, or 63?
63.
This is dated, so it's gonna be 64 now, but yeah.
Who was the first native governor general of Jamaica? In one of your segment, this you know what I
don't know them people there.
Sir Lael Falloon, Sir Kenneth Blackburn, Sir Kenneth Hall, Sir Clifford Campbell. We think of Blackburn.
We'd even deliberate on it. And you know, it's so funny me to think of Clifford too, you know. But I'm gonna say, you know what? I don't know.
Why am I so that confident in?
What pirate became the first lieutenant governor of Jamaica? Pirate? Sir Henry Moore, Sir Henry Morgan, Sir William Beeston, or Sir Edward Trelawney?
I wonder if Trelawney get the name from. Sorry.
Probably, but I don't know. I feel like it's probably one of these first two because they put Henry Moore and Henry Morgan. So like, do that trickery. Yeah, but I feel like they'd only do that when it's one of them. You know, like how in the other question they put 1962, 1964.
Sure. I'll leave that one to you. Damn!
You know, I wasn't looking, I was just like trying to just top one.
It's Henry Morgan.
Sir Henry Morgan, not Moore. What was Sir Alexander Bustamante's real name? William Alexander Clark? Bill Clinton Bustamante?
Alex Robert Bustamante? Alan Augustine Clark? Okay, Clark, I'm last name for true.
I'm pretty sure it's William Alexander. Yeah. And our final... Well, that one you're deep. Our final question. How many parishes did Jamaica have in 1844?
12, 21, 18, 10, 21.
For real? You know that? Or you guessing that?
21.
You know that?
21.
Do you know that? Boy, you didn't know that?
I knew that.
Boy, name them now?
I knew that. No, I never know the name there.
Oh.
We're gone too far now.
Oh.
You're gone too far now.
Sorry about that.
Yeah. You know what?
Hold on, let me calculate
Chad
up there.
said 25 out of 35. And we got
27. That's a 77%.
That's not bad.
That is a C plus.
Wow.
And I feel like we'd get with citizenship with that.
That's not bad.
And there's some of them that we really never have to get around. Some of them with the act.
But really and truly, you know, all I remember that one question there with the
yeah, so I really 28.
Yeah, so I've got one nice.
I remember the one I'm press wrong on accident.
Yeah.
That's a 29.
Yeah.
I remember the one where we get wrong but we never know it.
Yeah.
That's a 30.
Yeah, see that? Yeah.
So we damn near got 33 out of 35.
Yeah.
We did it.
Soft.
Yep. We'll see y'all in Jamaica soon.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah man.
Yeah man.
Yeah man.
Everything Irie man.
Irie man. So yeah, if you liked this video, make sure to comment Yaman.
Yaman. If you got all the way to this point in the video, comment Yaman.
Yaman.
And get some people confused.
Yes, right. Make sure to go subscribe to Chad's channel. Links will be in the description. Make sure to go watch his video. And make sure, once again, you like, comment, share, subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Don't forget to the Yaman comment.
Yaman.
Yaman.